Hello friends, welcome to our channel BONG Food PREYOSHI. Today we are going to prepare Ilish Tel Jhol. Here I have taken Ilish fish, salt, black cumin seed, brinjals, green chilies, turmeric powder and red chili powder. Friends, first we have to marinate fish and brinjals with salt and turmeric powder. Now our marination is done. Now we have to prepare spices paste. 2 teaspoon turmeric powder, red chili powder and salt according to your taste. Water. Mix all things together. Add mustard oil. Now we will fry the brinjals. Add more mustard oil. Fry it lightly. Our frying is done. Now we will go to next step. 1 teaspoon black cumin seed, 4 green chili, add spices paste, add water. Add more green chilies. Add fried fish. Don't forget to add the remaining oil from fish fry, cause this will make your recipe tastier. Add fry brinjals. Now it's ready to serve.